Well, first, there's 3 ways to get this stuff started that I'm going to show in this video. We're going to talk about water tolerance, shade tolerance, all you need to know about Chinese multicolored spinach. So is it hard to grow Chinese multicolored spinach? The answer to this video is no, it's not hard at all. This is what it looks like once you get it going. It is technically an amaranth, it's not actually a spinach. These were started by seed in my greenhouse. That's actually the 3rd way you can start these. I did it to see if it was easy to transplant, and there you go. They took off like a champ. Now I have more examples coming, but here in this same container, those are actually volunteers from last year. So that's technique 1, I guess you'd say. It will self-seed if you just let it hang out and drop its seeds. Now let's head over to this greenhouse. I'll show you technique 2, just to get them started. We'll talk about water in a second. So this is seed I collected from last year's crop, and I simply just, scattered it like grass seed, and there you go. Now the volunteers that I showed you in the container, they're the youngest. Watch out, Mr. Tripod. There's a volunteer. It's about 18 inches tall. And she's already forming her flower. So there's your seed source. And this looks like a bunch of cucumbers, which it is, but more volunteer. They just got in there somehow, I don't know. They didn't tell me. So let's pass through the Rose of Sharon hedge here and head back to the container. This is our herb garden primarily. So you'll see an Oya in there. And really for Amaranth, Chinese multicolored spinach is this type. They are drought tolerant. So, they're summer ready. We do keep them damp. There's no reason not to. But they are drought tolerant. The one thing about Amaranth, you can eat it, but if you eat a lot of it, you might develop some digestive discomfort. But it is Chinese multicolored spinach, and as they say, all things in moderation. Almost forgot to talk about shade. This, you can see there's sunshine now. It's early morning, it's about 10 o'clock. So the sun's dropping down here, that's obviously east. But as it moves, this is gonna become shaded. Plus, I have I guess this is 50%. I have a 50% shade cloth on here to protect these cucumbers. I mean, they are full of water. You don't want the containers drying out. These, again, were volunteers. I didn't plant them there on purpose, but they will do okay in shade. Well, drop any comments or questions down below. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you're new, and leave a thumbs up, please.